Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've just landed in Canada and you're watching every single dollar, I've got fantastic news for you. You are definitely not alone, and the Canadian government has some amazing support systems built specifically for newcomers. Feeling a bit lost? Don't worry. Today we're diving into the essential benefits every newcomer should know about to unlock more money and way less stress. Let's get right into it. So, first things first. What does Canada consider a newcomer? Generally, if you're a permanent resident, a temporary resident, or a landed immigrant, you're in. The key is becoming a tax resident. And get this, you can often apply for benefits even before you file your very first Canadian tax return, as long as you meet the eligibility criteria. To get started with most of these benefits, you'll need a social insurance number, or SIN. Make getting your SIN from Service Canada a top priority as soon as you arrive. All right, let's talk about the big federal benefits. The first one you need to know about is the GST/HST credit. If you have a low to modest income, you could receive tax-free payments every quarter. This credit is designed to help offset some of the sales tax you pay on everyday purchases. The best part? Even newcomers with zero income might qualify. The trick is you have to file your taxes to be considered. Next up is the Canada Carbon Rebate, which you might have heard of as the Climate Action Incentive. This is another payment that helps offset the costs of federal carbon pricing. It's available in provinces where the federal system is in place. While the program is changing after 2024, as a newcomer you might still be able to apply for retroactive payments for previous years, so don't miss out on that. Then, there's employment insurance, better known as EI. This is a crucial safety net. If you happen to lose your job through no fault of your own, and you've worked enough insurable hours over the past year, EI can provide temporary financial assistance while you search for a new job. It gives you that breathing room you need to find the right next step. And we can't forget about settlement services. This is a game changer. The government funds organizations all across Canada that are dedicated to helping newcomers like you. They can assist with finding housing, job searching, enrolling in language classes, and just generally adjusting to life in your new community. And the best part? These services are completely free. So what are the concrete steps you need to take to get these benefits? Number 1, file your taxes every single year. I can't stress this enough. Even if you had no income, filing your taxes is the gateway to unlocking credits like the GST/HST and the carbon rebate. Make sure you have your SIN and proof of residency documents ready, because you'll need them for almost every application. Now let's cover some common mistakes to avoid. A big one is thinking these benefits will just show up automatically. They won't. Most of them require you to apply. Another mistake is ignoring provincial programs. On top of federal benefits, every province and territory has its own set of supports you might be eligible for. So do some local research, and please don't skip filing your first tax return. It's the key that unlocks everything. So there you have it, the major government benefits that can give your budget a boost, help you settle in, and provide some peace of mind as you begin your incredible journey in Canada. Don't leave free money on the table. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We have a ton of other guides coming your way about TFSAs, navigating Canadian taxes, and tips for work and life in Canada, all designed to help you thrive, not just survive. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Benefit rules and eligibility can change, so it's always best to check the official government websites or speak with a licensed financial advisor for advice tailored to your personal situation. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.